Because where is it? What's it? It's all is mine. Like that. Okay, look. You didn't see me take any of that. You're like, what is that? I'm like, oh, it's mine. Me too. Oh no, I can't step outside with no shoes. Oh, he's so ugly, but he is ugly. And I just took everything out that I know I have.
Mara, I need you to tell me
I'm
what
very
your name
scared.
Solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're going to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Officers respond to a theft in progress after Target Loss Prevention notices the following. A woman in the shoe section removes her current shoes and puts on new, unpaid ones in plain view of the cameras. Then she begins concealing multiple items in the personal care and beauty section into her backpack, and then she makes her way towards the front of the store, where she walks straight into the woman's bathroom. Officers wait outside, and the moment she leaves the bathroom and heads towards the exit doors, officers head inside to meet her.
How you doing, man?
Oh no. Here. I don't have any.
We're gonna go back to the
I don't have any, so I'm giving it to you.
Let's check.
Because where is it?
Let's turn around.
Oh, so what do you got to give to him if she doesn't have any? Let's go to loss preventions. They're gonna check everything out. We're gonna go with the security. We're gonna check everything out, okay?
No, you just leave me alone because I don't want to talk to you about it.
Okay, that's fine. Wait for us, you cannot run by yourself. You gotta follow me. You have to follow me.
Okay, I'm following you.
Ma'am.
You're like, oh, Brownie. I'm like,
Let's go. Come on. Stop playing. What are you doing?
step on him. He likes that.
You acting a fool right now. Just follow him.
Everything does not different until you put them out.
Here. Oh, it's a joke. I don't know.
Be careful.
What happened? You have a statement already? I can see.
I need to see.
You need to see?
Yes.
Ow!
It's not on your eyes, man.
This was mine. It's beautiful. This thing's like let's go back to jail.
What is she doing? Is she looking for ID or something?
Look at what's up.
No, I don't have my ID.
Okay, let's talk.
And then,
Is it true for her?
what's it? It's all is mine. Like that. Okay, look. You didn't see me take any of that. You're like, what is that? I'm like, oh, it's mine.
So,
What else we're looking for?
He says,
stuff from,
Yes, you can leave it
oh,
right there.
here. And you're like, oh,
most other shoes as
it's
well.
negative.
The shoes, man.
You're like, oh.
I think we should look near.
I'm
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. She immediately
It's,
like,
we
I
can
have to go to the back.
Oh.
for sure. I was just making sure that they have.
Okay, yes,
So
come with me. We're going to another room. Come on,
She for
come
sure
with me.
stole. You guys are prosecuting.
Yes.
All right, perfect. Because we could put her in custody.
We have most
Oh, no.
I can go
Yes,
back.
yes.
Oh, wait, what happened?
I don't feel safe. You
Oh, wait, what happened?
looking into your purse.
I gotta go.
You,
What happened?
you're gonna step out of the store. We stopped up belong to here. Basically, that's how that belong
Oh,
to you.
okay.
We want to prosecute. We're gonna do investigation. We're gonna let you know the outcome in a minute.
Oh, can I get your shots or no?
She had pink ones. Those are
I have pink
purple.
shoes, yeah.
I don't know where the pink ones are at.
Oh my god, I know where they are. Oh my god, I know where they are. They're not in the bathroom, so.
I think they're back.
No,
Shoes there.
why would they be in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so. Thank you. Ah, me too.
Sit down.
Oh my god. Oh,
I'll go to
oh wait. No. Oh, you. Sassy little thing. Oh, well, I don't know. Oh, wait, don't touch me because I don't have any hands.
Yeah.
This way.
Oh, okay, good.
What's this one?
Oh, you're embarrassing.
Is there a door?
Do you have other shoes? What do you
Sorry. Oh,
Shoes off because these are not doors.
Yeah.
yeah, I know. Can I get mine?
Where are you?
Oh,
Where
don't force me. Look, oh, look, Brownie.
Where are they?
are your shoes? Where are your shoes?
Oh,
Take these off.
oh no, I can't step outside with no shoes.
Well, these are not yours.
These aren't
Okay,
yours.
well, give me a second to get mine.
Where are your shoes?
Where are they?
I'm trying to direct you. You're like, oh, you don't know where they are. I'm like, yes, I
We're not
do.
gonna go get your shoes right now. We'll put
Oh,
you in the car.
I have them.
Where are your shoes?
Oh, okay, you can take it off. Oh, I was gonna take it off.
Where are your shoes?
They're in the They're in.
Okay,
I know
you're
where
just
they
gonna
are
go
because-
barefoot. Take them off.
No, because just give me my shoes.
Come on.
Oh my God! Wait! Don't step on my foot. My shoes are in the are in the where the shoes are. Are you serious?
Come on.
Wow, you're this fucking crazy.
I got it. I'll go first.
Okay, I'm gonna get brown feet. Oh, I'm going to jail.
One is this one over here.
Am I going to jail?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like, right? You taking stuff from the store? Oh, we're not kidding you.
Oh.
It's not
That's
this big
okay.
one.
Yeah.
Put it in mine.
Wow.
You know they haven't hooked me up yet.
You're like, oh yes you are. Okay. Wow. You're like.
Spread your legs. Spread your legs. Widen it.
Okay, give me a second.
All right.
I don't have anything.
Still gotta check just in case.
Okay, check.
16 Alpha 97.
Are you kidding me? Take it off then. There's like literally nothing under there. It's just my hair.
17 Golf.
Ooh. Girl, I don't. Calm down. I was like, just telling her I don't care if she videotapes me because my hair, like, girl, bye. I was like, you're like, yeah, I'm gonna show you. That's like your head in the front.
Oh, 1397 BRC programming.
You sure you got it?
Got a bag. Yeah, I got it. It's just a matter of
She's what?
83643.
Oh, that's a 56 year all day, bro.
I'm gonna go through that. She had a lot more than that. I'm gonna have to go through it.
Yeah, bro, I got the camera on. I can. What else we looking for?
She had a bunch of. She might be wearing them, but she brought a bunch of like leggings into that might be our leggings. Oh, they're there. She balled them up into each other.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I don't want
You think this is new?
She had our leggings that she had in her that she brought in the restroom with her. Cause she's in there for a minute, so I don't know what she was.
Yeah, this is look like new right here. This for sure is all.
Yeah.
That's okay. Sometimes you get in trouble.
yeah.
What does
Exactly.
Baker Act mean?
No. We were just trying to see.
What is Baker Act?
No, you're not getting Baker acted, ma'am. You're not getting Baker acted. We were just trying to figure out what was the best course of action. That's all it was. Do you take any medications though, at all?
No, I just took some water pills because
Okay.
like I just went to my adrenal center. It's okay if they trespass me. I'm never gonna come back.
That's fine. Well, they will be looking to trespass you, but they're also gonna press charges.
I think it's just trespassing.
No, they're looking to press charges. Okay, we confirmed before we even stepped out.
Again.
The woman then breaks down why she took the items.
We asked them.
Please no, I can't because I can't go back to jail because like this is literally the worst thing ever in life. I was just because my skin is coming off.
Okay.
My skin is coming off and I needed some I just needed some stuff to get my skin back because
So,
the soap in the jail.
Okay, so what does
The soap in the jail took my skin off.
Okay, so what does
And
question?
that's why I was like, oh.
All right, so
I'm trying
Amara.
my best to get my skin back.
Amara, so what if you're focused on your skin? What do the shoes have to do with your skin?
I have to take risks because my skin was coming off. I have to take these risks.
Ma'am, so you said
I have
Amara.
to. I'm
Ma'am,
sorry, I can't
need
listen to you because I have to take the risk. My skin was coming off.
Ma'am.
I have to.
Ma'am.
My skin is coming off, so I have to take risks. I have to. I cannot have my skin coming off like that.
Ma'am, what is your first name?
Oh my God, the soap is terrible. There's
Okay.
no eyelashes. There's no nothing.
You don't.
There's a whole bunch of girls. Oh my God, that's okay. I can still keep my
I'm trying to get her
femininity
name,
because
but
it's gonna be there regardless.
That's why I'm still out here because I'm trying to get her name before I step off. Yeah.
Oh, go ahead, drive me to the jail. That's crazy. Oh
I
my
can't
God.
drive. What's it, Amara? What's your name?
Identify me, okay. You
What's
saw
her
yourself on
name?
the camera, so
Amara.
it's like,
Oh my God.
Because she's in the bathroom for a while, like she used her urinary test is in there.
Oh, really?
Yep. That's the strip. She took like 2 of those. I was trying to find the boxes to make it easier, but she has a bunch of our stuff she used and then dumped in here. Like she used a box of tampons. And then these wipes she threw away and used. She had 2 packs of our wipes, the Preparation H wipes. And she used the other pack in the restroom and threw it away.
And what shoes she was using when she came into the store?
She probably dumped them over by the shoes area, but she had pink Crocs on, like dirty pink Crocs, and then she switched them out for those on camera.
Okay.
That's how we do. She obviously has still stolen stuff because she stole stuff and then she stole that for going to the restroom and was wearing them out of the restroom. So, and once you have her name like an idea, I'm pretty sure I've dealt with her before at the other store. I mean, I recognize her, but I don't remember the name. But I could probably look it up. But I don't know how long ago that was.
Jesus Christ.
Unsuccessful in matching her name, the officer takes the next step. More on her specific condition, charges, and jail time at the end.
Amara, it's either you give me your actual name so I could...
Yeah, I am ARA. I just told you. Sorry, I was crying. I was crying and it came off.
Amara.
I'm so scared.
All right.
I think this is
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, Amara.
Okay.
Hands behind your back.
170
No.
157.
Hands behind your back without them like that. Come on.
Okay.
No.
Hold on.
Put your hands behind your back. I don't know why they...
He said he's gonna press charges.
All right, without stepping out the car, right? Don't step out the car. Put your feet in there. Put your feet there. Turn your back towards me.
I cannot, okay, hold on. Okay, thank you so much.
No. Hold on. Put your hands through.
No, you gotta open them because it hurts.
Well, put your hands through.
Push it.
Push it through. All right, I'm gonna help you out. Right?
Don't scrape me, please. You're
I'm
like,
not.
oh, I'm not. Thank you so much.
I'm not. So don't go up. All right. There we go.
I like that.
Wait. Hold on.
Sorry.
Back up.
Oh, back up.
Take it easy.
Like,
All right.
Okay. The lotion and the.
I know you got a lot of lotion
took my skin
on
off. And that's why I was like, oh, I'm just gonna risk it all because I have to. I did my hair. I did everything. I have to because it's really hard for me to like take care of myself in there. So I was like, let me go
Amara,
to the
what if
Target.
I give you some air, right?
And you know what? I was honest.
I understand that.
Like, oh, he's so ugly, but he is ugly, and I just took everything out that I know I have.
Amara, I need you to tell me what your name is.
I'm very scared. I am ARA. My name is AALYIAH
So there's no
and BRYAN.
There's no H at the end of your first name?
No, I didn't say that.
I'm
You're
sorry.
like, yes, you did. And I'm like, no,
say
I didn't
yes, you
because I
did.
was just
didn't say-
crying.
That's why I was just trying to figure it out.
Okay,
I'm not saying yes, you did, okay?
good.
Can you
I'm
put your
so
feet back
glad
in?
that you know that I'm not lying.
Okay, watch out. No. You're not coming out the car.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm just like trying
All
to
right,
find my
so
shoes.
put your feet over there. All right.
Okay.
Yep.
That's okay. Everything's okay. I'm gonna keep telling myself that. That's okay.
That's it. Just keep telling yourself that. You said your birthday is...
1998, I'm 26.
Okay.
I'm 26 years old.
I am ARA. Do you ever go by a different name?
No, never. I have one name.
All right.
I just have one.
Amara,
I have one name.
All right, Amara.
I have one.
Okay, Amara, I'm
name.
having trouble finding you, Amara. So that's why I'm trying to figure it out. Okay.
They got mental health there.
I don't know where that's coming from.
They all get assessed by mental health when they get booked in. Every single person.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Going to jail.
I just heard him saying that.
I don't think she's crazy. She's just acting out.
And
I mean, she might be a little crazy, but
she got to be high on something too.
possibly.
So here with us now to talk about the particulars in this case, Florida-based criminal defense and personal injury attorney with Darling Law, Andrew Darling. Andrew, thank you so much for your time today. So this video is pretty hard to watch because it does seem quite obvious from the start that this woman has special needs. I'd like to listen briefly to some of her appearance in court.
Hi, Judge. My name is Amara Leah Bryan.
Can you raise your hand? Solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're going to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes. Oh, yes, Judge.
So, ma'am, I've been handed a plea form with your name on it. Is this your signature at the bottom?
Yes, it is. I signed it just now.
Okay. Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into signing the plea form?
No.
Okay. And so you understand by signing this, you'd be giving up your right to go to trial and to contest the charges in this case?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And I have to tell you, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you could be deported based upon this plea. I tell everybody that. Are you aware of that?
Oh, but I am.
That's great.
Oh, okay. Yes.
All right. Andrew, I know what my initial reaction was. What was your initial reaction when you saw this video?
So first, thank you for having me. I actually got this video from my 20-year-old son. He sent it in our family group chat, and it's heartbreaking to watch. The online reaction to it is a little misleading because we don't have the whole story here. But in Florida, just because you have special needs, if you have a developmental disability or if you're on the spectrum, that doesn't necessarily make you incompetent to proceed. Now, I don't think anybody should spend 50 days in custody for a petty theft, but there's a little bit more to the story here.
And it is important to note that because there is, nuance to every story, but a lot of people see this and say, should the judge have thrown this out? Should somebody at some point have intervened?
So the state attorney's office is ultimately going to be the place where they can make a decision about whether to drop it or not. The problem is if a defense attorney feels like the person is not competent, does not understand the proceedings, they can then seek to have the person evaluated for competency. But in the interim, most of the time, that person's going to be in custody. So they're going to be sitting there waiting for an evaluation, which could take a week, it could take a month. So in this particular instance, I know that public defender that's there with her at the podium in the video. She's a phenomenal public defender. She does initial appearances all the time. And that's what this is Ms. Bryan got picked up after missing a court date. She got picked up again. And then this is that next day, the state basically offered her credit time served to get her out and to move on.
Okay, so we know that, she did serve approximately 50 days total. And again, what's done is done. But a lot of people who see this are very upset. Is there a way to remedy that or try to? Or on the flip side of it, is that a fair punishment because she did, admit to committing a crime?
So the actual reason why she spent that much time in custody for a petty theft is because prior to the petty theft case, she had another case that was open. And when she picked up the petty theft case, it revoked the release on her own recognizance for the first case. So she spent 48 days in custody until she resolved the first case that she had. And then she was released on her own recognizance. And the judge actually released her on her own recognizance the same day that the public defender's office filed the motion. So that's the real reason why she spent that much time. It wasn't for that actual charge. It was because she was held for a prior charge.
And I think back to the first answer that you gave, Andrew, does something need to change in the justice system going forward? Because obviously it is not okay to take things from a store. You need to pay for things, but it was, approximately $145 worth of things. Does something need to change? Because again, when you see the video, it's very obvious that this woman has some special needs.
Yeah, it does. And the first way that we change this is that we stop arresting people for misdemeanors and we give them a notice to appear and give them an opportunity to show up themselves and take care of the case the best that they can. Now, we don't know the whole background of Ms. Bryan. We don't know what she's going through, what her living situation is. But at the end of the day, the criminal justice system is framed like that, but it's framed inaccurately. There's very little justice in the criminal justice system. And the way that you start is by keeping the governor out of local politics here in Orange and Osceola County.